The Ukraine-Russia war is showcasing how AI is being utilized by Ukraine to significantly enhance operational speed and intelligence analysis through automation, enabling faster and more accurate targeting by quickly identifying patterns in vast datasets derived from drones and social media. Companies like Palantir are developing sophisticated AI platforms such as AIP that provide real-time strategic advice to military commanders by analyzing battlefield data and suggesting optimal attack plans. However, this advancement raises significant ethical concerns and potential risks, including the development of fully autonomous weapons, the lack of human control, and the potential for accelerated conflict. Experts are also concerned about the reliability and trustworthiness of AI systems, particularly in ensuring data accuracy. The global race to develop and invest in AI with major players like the US and China is creating a dangerous AI arms race, prompting calls for international cooperation and regulations to prevent it from spiraling out of control. We will highlight the urgent need for accountability and addresses the potential for dehumanization in AI-driven warfare, emphasizing the critical importance of maintaining human oversight and ethical considerations in the deployment of AI in military applications. The ongoing conflict in Ukraine provides a stark example of how AI is being utilized in modern warfare. Despite Russia's superior firepower, Ukraine has effectively leveraged AI-powered systems to level the playing field. Ukraine's armed forces have deployed AI-driven targeting systems that significantly enhance the accuracy and efficiency of their artillery strikes. These AI systems gather data from various sources, including drones and satellites, to pinpoint enemy positions with remarkable precision. This data is then processed in real time to calculate the optimal trajectory and timing for artillery strikes, maximizing their impact while minimizing collateral damage. The ability to deliver precise and timely strikes has enabled Ukraine to slow down the Russian advance and inflict significant losses on enemy forces. Ukraine's innovative use of AI in artillery targeting serves as a testament to the transformative potential of this technology in warfare. Palantir Technologies, a data analytics company co-founded by Peter Thiel, has emerged as a key player in the development and deployment of AI systems for military applications. Palantir's AI platforms, such as its artificial intelligence platform, are designed to provide military commanders with real-time strategic advice and decision-making support. AIP leverages advanced algorithms and machine learning to analyze vast amounts of battlefield data, identify patterns, and generate actionable insights. By integrating data from various sources, including intelligence reports and sensor feeds, AIP can provide a comprehensive and up-to-date picture of the battlefield situation. This allows commanders to make more informed decisions regarding troop deployments, target prioritization, and overall strategy. However, Palantir's involvement in the development of AI-powered military technologies has also raised ethical concerns. The increasing reliance on AI for military decision-making raises crucial questions about accountability, transparency, and the potential for unintended consequences. Section 4. The looming threat of autonomous warfare. While AI's role in enhancing military decision-making is undeniable, the development of fully autonomous weapons systems, often referred to as killer robots, raises profound ethical and humanitarian concerns. Autonomous weapons are capable of selecting and engaging targets without human intervention, relying solely on AI algorithms to make life or death decisions. Proponents argue that they could potentially reduce civilian casualties by eliminating human error and emotional factors from the battlefield. However, critics contend that delegating lethal decision-making to machines crosses a moral red line. The lack of human control over autonomous weapons raises serious questions about accountability for war crimes and the potential for unforeseen errors or malfunctions with catastrophic consequences. The international community is grappling with the challenge of regulating autonomous weapons systems. The rapid pace of technological advancement in AI makes it imperative to establish clear ethical guidelines and legal frameworks to prevent an AI arms race and ensure human control over the use of force. Section 5. Navigating the future of AI in warfare. The militarization of AI is fueling an arms race among nations, each seeking a strategic advantage. The US, China, and Russia are investing heavily in AI for military use, raising concerns about global instability. International cooperation and clear norms are crucial to mitigate AI arms race risks. Historical parallels can be drawn to the nuclear arms race during the Cold War. Similar efforts are needed to regulate AI in the military domain. Balancing AI's benefits for security and mitigating its risks is a defining challenge. Open dialogue, ethical considerations, and cooperation are key to ensuring AI serves humanity.